One of the questions I often get is how long can they do farm fresh eggs keep outside of the refrigerator? So this is a collection from January the 15th, and today is February the 15th, and I've kept them out on the counter for 30 days, and each week after today I'm going to crack an egg so that we can see how long they keep for in my home. So you can see it's very thick, the albumin. I took the flash off so that you can see it's really thick, the albumin, and the yolk is still wonderful. I'm going to fry it up in some butter and see how good it is when it fries up. So every week after today, I'm going to crack another egg, and we'll see how long they're going to last for, because around here, eggs don't last very long because they get eaten so quickly. So they were collected fresh from the coop on January the 15th. Delicious winter eggs. Oops, there's a little bit of a shell there, but that's all right. Just added calcium. Looks good, frying up perfectly. Look at that. That's a 30-day-old egg sitting out on my counter. I'll transfer it to a dish and cut the yolk open so you can see it. Steaming hot. Perfect. Perfect. So, stay tuned for another video in 1 week, and we'll crack the next egg.